Learning more tonight about Afghan refugees coming to Rhode Island and Massachusetts. The White House has notified state leaders about the number of Afghan refugees coming to each region. Rhode Island will receive 150 people, while Massachusetts is preparing for the arrival of 900 refugees. 12 News reporter Rob Nesbitt talked to nonprofits and state leaders about how they're preparing. He joins us live in studio with what he's learned. Rob?
Shannon, the two agencies in Rhode Island that work with evacuated refugees tell me that they are expected to receive at least a week's notice before the first individual or family arrives in southern New England. That hasn't happened yet, but the planning has been in motion for weeks. Of the 37,000 refugees arriving to the U.S. from Afghanistan, the White House says 1,360 will be divided between Rhode Island, Connecticut, and Massachusetts. Governor McKee says the ocean state is ready to lend a helping hand.
We should embrace that. People who have helped our country in Afghanistan, we should make sure that we support them and their arrival to the United States.
According to State Department data for the Afghan Placement and Assistance Program, Rhode Island will receive 150 evacuees.
And I think that that's a reasonable number for us to absorb in the state of Rhode Island, and we've already had employers willing to help out with individuals.
Dorcas International is the agency that will be assisting the 150 refugees coming to Rhode Island. Workers from the nonprofit will be attending a refugee coalition meeting Friday morning for more details. I reached out to the Immigrants Assistance Center in New Bedford to find out more about the 900 refugees relocating to Massachusetts. President Helena Da Silva Hughes says the 900 will be going through the International Institute of New England in Boston and Lowell, but that New Bedford is interested in helping as well. A spokesperson for Mayor John Mitchell confirming that in a statement, saying, quote, "We are actively pursuing it. The mayor believes it's in keeping with city values that we open the door to people who assisted U.S. forces in Afghanistan and their families. New Bedford has always been a city of immigrants, and we want to do our part to take care of those who took care of our men and women in uniform." Afghan refugees are slated to receive around $1,200 to help with housing and food, but are not eligible for traditional refugee services such as food stamps and Medicaid. President Biden has called on Congress to ensure that new arrivals have access to the same benefits as refugees. California is projected to receive the most evacuees from Afghanistan. 5,200 people will be arriving there, according to State Department data. Reporting live in studio, I'm Rob Nesbitt, 12 News.